What's up guys, my name's Alex, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how exactly you can make $1,000 a day just using free traffic sources. Now it comes out to $1,059.50 exactly, and that might not seem like a lot to you guys, but on a normal given day you have advertising costs factored into the overall revenue. So whether you're doing $500 a day or $50,000 a day, you're still going to have advertising costs as a significant factor coming out of that price. Since yesterday I only used free traffic, we did not have that cost coming out. It was just product costs alone. So I can't sit here and say that yesterday was more profitable than a day that I would be running ads, because that would be false, but I can say that free traffic is more profitable overall compared to paid traffic depending on your targeting. Now I'm going to explain what I mean by this in just a second, but in my case, the targeting for the customers that I was looking at yesterday were people that were already interested in my store and had already interacted with it because I was using the customer email list. Now this is a newer store, so the customer email list really isn't as built up as I wanted it to be. I have about 5,000 customers on that email list, and I sent out the promotional email yesterday, which is a form of email marketing. Now it's not the automated type where order confirmation, abandoned cart emails sent through, but this is more of a promotional email where you actually have to design it, set it up, and then send it through to all your customers. Now with a customer list of about 5,000 and we got 26 orders yesterday, that equals out to a 0.52% conversion rate. Considering I didn't pay a penny for those advertising costs, that's not bad. Now I want to give a little bit of backstory here. I just found a product that was working out for me greatly. I shot some custom content, made my own video ads, and I was scaling up from there. Until I ran into the Facebook ads ban, which happens to the most of us. Now Facebook, no matter who you are, what kind of store you're running, or what products you're selling, will most likely ban your ad account at some point. Like I said, this happens to most people, and it's not that hard to get around, but it can be very annoying. So I was dealing with the Facebook ads ban, and while I was trying to get my account back, I moved over to Google Ads because those tend to be very profitable on my stores. For some reason, after putting in my new credit card on Google Ads, I got some payment error flag or something like that, and my Google Ads account got disabled. So normally I would have free traffic sources through Google coming to my store as people just search organically. But since my Google Ads account was banned, I got 0 sessions the day before that. So I decided using the only traffic source I had besides my personal Instagram and Facebook pages for this brand would be the email marketing list. Now I'm using a free app called Shopify Email, and I believe it is free to use until October 1st, 2020. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'll show you guys exactly how to use that in just a second. Now email marketing is something that you're going to want to get into eventually, but you want to have it all automated up front. For example, order confirmation pages, abandoned cart emails, and stuff like that. But on the other hand, you want to send out promotional emails here and there. You don't want to be too spammy with those because people will unsubscribe and report your emails as spam. But just sending out a discount or a new product launch or anything of the sort every couple weeks or so can do the job for you. Now whether you have 100 customers in your email list or 100,000, this is a good place to start. So let's jump into my computer and I'll show you guys how to set up your first email promotion campaign. Okay, so if you don't already have Shopify email, just head over to the Shopify App Store and just type in Shopify email, email marketing, email, whatever. Should come up, and it's right here by Shopify. And just add that app to your store and I'll show you where to go from there. Really quickly before we go into that, I want to show you the pricing options for this. Like I said, it is free until October 1st, 2020, and then every month you will have 2,500 emails to send for free, and then on top of that you have 1,000 emails for $1 on top of there. So every 1,000 emails you send on top of the free 2,500 will be $1. So since I had my 5,000 email list, if I actually had to pay for that, 2,500 or half of it would have been free, and I would have had to pay $2.50 to be exact. Okay, so when you actually move over to Shopify email, this is what the screen looks like, and it'll say create an email. I would click that, but I run into some problems there with my YouTube videos. So this store Shopify email actually integrates branded templates into their program. So my store's branded emails are already on there. So if I clicked it, I wouldn't be able to show anything because it literally has all my products, the name of my store, and everything associated with it. So that's bad for this purpose, but for you guys that's really good because it's all branded and easy to create. So they really do make this app as easy as possible. You just click create an email, the templates are there for you, it's easy to add blocks to it, it's even easier than creating your store. Now you can be creative with this. You can add discounts, you can promote new products, you can do sales announcements, you can hype up your Black Friday promotion. Whatever you do, just be creative with it and drive those sales. Now I still want to help you guys out even if I can't open this app. So I want to go over a couple examples of some good promotional emails that you guys can use as inspiration. Now I've talked about automated emails, like I said, the order confirmation, abandoned cart, and all of those. Now unfortunately right now Shopify email does not support those, but they do keep it as simple as possible with the branded templates. So download that, give it a try, it's easy to use and it's a lot of fun. So right now let's move over to Google Images and I will try to find you guys some good promotional emails that you guys can essentially copy. Okay, so moving over here to Google Images, if you just type in email promotion campaign, we'll see what comes up and I'll try to find some good examples for you guys that you can use as inspiration. Okay, so really quickly, I just found this example right here and I just want to show you how to actually set up your emails with this. So if you look right here, that's who it's from. You can't really do anything about that. It will be from your brand or your store. But right here you have your subject line. So right here you're going to want to draw your customer's attention with that. That's the first thing they will see. But you also have this preview where you can type some text to actually get the person to want to click on it. So look at here, you type the title and then you type the preview text and you just want to get them to actually open the email. Alright, so here's another example one. This is just Walgreens, 2-day only. They add scarcity, throw in the date, they give you a 20% off, and they try to make you feel exclusive with the friends and family thrown in there. So there's plenty of examples that you can mess around with and look at on Google Images. Just type in a few searches on there, something along the lines of email campaigns, email promotions, email business campaigns, awareness campaigns, stuff like that, and just see what there is and mess around with Shopify email and your branded templates, and it will work out for you guys. And that's all I got on email marketing today. If you got anything from this video, go out and take action, and I really hope it works for you. And I also hope I earned your thumbs up in this video. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe as there's plenty more to come, and I'll see you guys next time.